Welcome back to the tutorial. In part 2, I will demonstrate animation techniques for the second title from the main text motion graphics video. So, with no further ado, let's just start creating some motion. As a background for this title, I will use a black sand picture. You can find this too in the media library, or you can use one of your choice. Let's expand it to have it fill the entire canvas. And, rename it, Black Sand Background. And, I'll just bring it down below. I want this picture to come in fading. So, I will go to Motion Settings. And I will choose to fade in. Then, I adjust it under the other layers just to overlap a little bit like that. Now, let's add the first word. And I will duplicate to have the second word for this scene. And bring it down here. Let's adjust position for both words. And center them like so. Let's type in a different word here. Titles. I will zoom in. And I am making this word bigger. I make the adjustments. And I make sure it is centered. For the first word I chose a light gray color. And for the second text I chose a bright green color. Next, I will set a mask for each word. And I will select a rectangle from the Shapes menu. I reduce the opacity. And rename it. Now I make the adjustments for the mask. I zoom in. And then I will duplicate the rectangle. I will rename this one as well. And position it opposite. And make fine adjustments to have both masks' edges close. Now, I will go on and mask each word. And I will add a custom animation. I select Position. And for easing I will set both. And leave it to linear. Dragging the animation to the right. And making sure I have the playhead before the animation, I move the word up. And that will be its starting position. After setting this word's starting position, I can place the animation back where it was. Now, let's zoom in. And have a preview. It looks nice. Next I will need the word to go back up, so I will just right click and hit duplicate reverse. I will do the same for the other word as well. For the best precision, and for the most smoother animation, I always expand the timeline to its maximum, and make the fine adjustments for all animations. It seems like the up and down animation of both words is too quick, so I will increase the distance between the animations like so. This is better, I like it. I only need to adjust the duration of both elements. And I see you on the next video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified for future tutorials of how to create amazing motion graphics within CreateStudio.